Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the VicoHome camera won't connect in 2026. Now, VicoHome cameras require correct pairing mode before anything else works. So if the camera is not in the pairing mode, it will not connect no matter what you do. So first of all, you need to make sure that the indicator light is blinking as required. Then you can start the setup immediately. If you wait too long, the pairing mode expires and the connection fails. Now, if in your case the pairing is correct but the setup still fails, you can just simply check your phone's environment. Now, during the setup, your phone must stay connecting to the Wi-Fi without switching the networks. So you need to make sure that you turn off the mobile data, and if you are using any kind of VPNs, you need to turn them off as well. If your phone switches the networks, the connection process will break. So you need to make sure that you are using a stable Wi-Fi on your phone. Now, VicoHome cameras works on the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So if your router is using a combined or 5 gigahertz network, you need to switch it to a dedicated 2.4 gigahertz network, and then you can try again. So sometimes the routers also block the new devices automatically. So you need to make sure that you avoid connecting through the guest networks and you disable some of the features like MAC filtering or IP isolation or device limits temporarily. Now, if the setup keeps failing again and again, you can just simply do a quick reset. In it, you just have to simply press and hold the reset button until the light starts flashing. Now, when it does, you just have to simply start the setup again from the scratch. So this clears all the previous connection related errors. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.